أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students, welcome to the class. This is easy Quran class, word by word and fluent interpretation of the meanings of the Holy Quran. And you know, the Holy Quran is the last and complete guidance book sent by Allah Ta'ala. I'm very happy to see you in the class. So we are starting this class from today. Amma yatasa'alun para 30th Suratun Naba.
Inna, verily, lil muttaqina, for the righteous, mafazan will be a success, hada'iqa, gardens, wa a'naban, and grapes, wa kawa'iba, and bosom girls, atraban, of equal ages, wa ka'asan, and cup, dehaqa, filled full, la, not, yasma'una, they shall hear, fiha, therein, lagwan, vain talk, wala, nar, kidhaba, lying, jaza'an, a reward, recompense, min rabbika, min from rabbika, your Lord, ata'an, a gift, hisaban, and ample calculated, rabbis samawati, Lord of the heavens, wal ardi, and the earth, wama, and whatever, bainahuma, is between them, ar-Rahmani, the most gracious, la, not, yamlikuna, they have power, minhu, with him, khitaban, to speak, yawma yaqumu, the day when will stand, ar-ruhu, the spirit, Gabriel, wal malaikatu, and the angels, safwan, in rows, la, not, yatakallamuna, they will speak, illa, except, man, him, adhina, gives permission, allows, lahu rahmanu, for him whom, the most gracious, and he will say, speak right. ذَلِكَ الْيَوْمُ الْحَقُّ, the day, the true. فَمَنْ شَاءَ, so whosoever wishes will, اتَّخَذَ إِلَى, he will take towards with, رَبِّهِ مَآبًا, his Lord a place. إِنَّا أَنْظَرْنَاكُمْ, verily we warn you, عَذَابًا قَرِيبًا, a torment near, يَوْمَ يُنْظَرُ, the day will see, الْمَرْءُ مَاءً, man which قَدَّمَتْ يَدَاهُ, he sent forth his hand, وَيَقُولُ الْكَافِرُ, and will say, disbeliever, يَا لَيْتَنِي, woe to me, كُنْتُ تُرَابًا, would have were dust. Alhamdulillah, completed. صدق الله العظيم.